Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, I'm going to show you how to make some meshy waves today. We're going to go ahead and delete this default cube right here, and we'll change out the render engine from Eevee to Cycles. I'm going to go ahead and add in a plane, and then what I'm going to do is let's go and to the edit mode. We'll right click, subdivide a good couple of times. I'm going to go S and scale this up so you guys can see as many times as you possibly can. Let's go back to the object mode. We're going to go to modifier and make this sea. Ocean, I believe it's called. Yeah, ocean. Alright, so once we've got something like this, we can see the wireframe on the inside as well. So what I'm going to do is let's go with depth. Just kind of pull the size up a little bit, and then you can kind of get the waves upwards as well. And if you want to, you can go ahead and extend it on the sides and stuff. Alright, so once we've got this, let's go to mesh or wireframe. We now have this. So with the wireframe, what you want to do is go ahead and increase the thickness, and then we'll go ahead with boundary and relative, just to kind of seal that in a little bit. Get a nice camera angle, whatever kind of angle that you want to. Amend the waves as need be. We'll go to material, we'll change this to a metallic, so principal BSDF, metallic BSDF. Let's change down that roughness, and then maybe get like a gold or a metallic or something like that. So we've got all this right here. When we go to render, we should have something like this. Now, we don't really have a background, so we're going to go with add, plane, S for scale underneath, and we can't use the regular lights with this. We're going to have to use some just emission pieces. So I'm going to go with G, bring this across, and I'm going to go with the materials tab right here, make this black, make the background black, and also change the roughness all the way up. So let's go to world, make the world black as well. So yeah, as I said, get your correct camera angle that you would like, whatever that might be. So maybe just try to find something that would work for me. I'm gonna work with this side. Let's go view, align camera to view. G, move it around, see what's going on. See what you can do with this. So I'm gonna put mine about there ish. Alright, so when we render this, obviously you can't see it. So let's go ahead and add that lighting in that I mentioned before. So all you're going to need to do is go to add mesh plane. Let's get this off the side right there. Okay, so S for scale. Scale this out. Going to go to materials tab, new. Change this principal BSDF to an emission. Change it all the way up, and then press G. And you want to place this above the camera, so Shift D. I just go ahead and place a bunch of these across the scene, just as such. Alright, so once you've got something like that, we should be able to see the mesh now. So I would definitely say maybe get rid of the backdrop right here so you can just see the waves, and then take the waves, go back to your modifiers right here, and then increase the thickness a little bit more. Just as such, so you can see that a little bit better. And then I would say amend the lighting. Let's go to this. Emission. Just pull the emission down to something a little bit more comfortable. And then we can take the mesh and we'll make this less shiny. So just go ahead and pull that roughness up just a little bit more so it can be seen. And I think the edge tint, to be honest with you, we could probably go with a little bit more of a golden touch. Just as such. Yeah. So, mesh waves. That's generally how you do them. If you want to go ahead and amend the waves so that they're a little bit more wavy, we could go ahead and we could affect the waves themselves. I'm just pull these up. Totally up to you. You could have the smallest wave, the biggest wave. whatever like that. Let's select the camera, just press G and bring this back. So you can kind of see these waves. If it starts doing this where you're losing detail at the back, all you need to do, go to the camera settings, go to clip end, clip start, go to the end, and then just pull that back. So, in a nutshell, mesh waves. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.